adventurers, and welcome to Ella's Greatest Adventures. Whew. Okay, so can you guess what we're going to do today? We're not going to read a book, but we're going to make something. Take a guess. It is slime. So guys, are you ready? Well, come on, let's go. See ya. Okay, first you're going to need some school glue. Then you're going to need some starch. Next, you're going to need some shaving cream. And then you're going to need some plastic bowls, spoons, and food coloring. Now, take your 2 bowls, I got 2, and get your crazy glue and start pouring. I have 2 bowls because I'm going to do 2 different colors, but you could just have 1 bowl. Just keep pouring, pour, 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 pour. Okay, next you want to choose what color you want your slime to be. I'm choosing orange and pink. Okay, next you want your shaving cream. This is going to help make your slime nice and puffy. Then you're going to get your food coloring, and I have my orange. I'm going to squeeze 3 times. Then I got my pink, and I'm going to squeeze that 3 times, and then I'm going to stir. Stir, 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 make it orange. Stir, 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 make it orange. Stir, 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 make it orange. Then I'm going to squeeze some more because I want to make it a little bit darker. And just keep stirring. It's a little bit better. And I added some more to make it even oranger. I think that's a word. Okay, now I have my pink. And I'm going to keep stirring that one. That's nice and pretty. And I'm adding some more pink dye to make it pinker. I'm just making up words. Stir, 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 stir. Now that I have my colors, I'm going to get my starch. And you might need your parents' help with this part. But what I do, I just stir a little bit of starch and see how it starts to come together. And then I slowly add some more if I need it. Starch, 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 starch. Okay guys, I need a new song. If you can help me with a new song, then I greatly appreciate it. Just keep stirring. You see how it's starting to come together and look slimy? So here I'm adding some glitter. I probably should have added before, but I just wanted to see what would happen. You don't have to do this, I just wanted to do it. Now I took another bowl, and what I'm about to do is mix both of the colors together. I had to take off my jewelry because I didn't want to mess it up. But what I'm doing now is just mixing the 2 colors together, and it ended up turning like a peachy color, but I still like it. How did yours turn out? I hope you enjoyed today's adventure, and I'll see you in the next one.